Netflix just confirmed that Tyler Perry's Beauty in Black is officially coming back for one final season, and Netflix also confirmed that some major character behavior will totally change. And honestly, after the Incense season 2 ending, the Ballery family might actually be finished. Kimmy is no longer the weak survivor from season 1. She now controls the empire. She has powerful allies. The FBI is involved and Tyler Perry is setting up an all-out war for the final 6 episodes. But the biggest question is, can Kimmy actually survive the power she fought so hard to get? Because season 3 is about revenge, betrayal, and somebody may lose everything. Let's break down everything Netflix reveals about Beauty in Black season 3, hidden details from the finale, and what Tyler Perry is secretly setting up for the ending of the entire series. So yes guys, it's finally official. Netflix confirmed that Tyler Perry's Beauty in Black will return for a third season, but this will also be final season of the show. And honestly, this feels planned because season 2 ended in a way they completely changed the entire power structure of the story. The old version of Kinney is basically gone now. Back in season 1, she was just trying to survive. She was trapped in dangerous situations, manipulated by powerful people, and constantly underestimated. But now she is sitting at the top of the table, controlling the Beauty in Black empire itself. The transformation is what season 3 is going to focus on. And according to Netflix, the next season will finally show Kimmy fully stepping into her power. That line is very important because Tyler Perry is no longer telling a survival story. Now he is telling a power story. The biggest moment in season 2 was definitely the boardroom scene. That scene basically flipped the entire show upside down. For 2 seasons, Kimmy and Mallory were enemy. There was tension, manipulation, power game, betrayal. But now they are finally working together. And honestly, that may be the scariest thing for the Ballery family because both women are extremely smart in different ways. Kimmy understands survival and strategy. Mallory understands business and manipulation. Together, they become almost unstoppable. Then Tyler Perry added another major twist. Horace returned, and this changes everything. Because Horace is no longer weak or sick, now he is back with power, influence, and revenge. The finale basically created a new alliances. Kimmy, Mallory, Horace, and now they are going after everybody who betrayed the empire. That's why the FBI storyline becomes so important. On the craziest parts of the finale was seeing the Ballery family finally start falling apart. Roy, Charles, Norman, Olivia, all of them are now exposed. And Tyler Perry clearly wanted viewer to feel satisfied watching these powerful people finally lose control. But here is the thing. Season 3 probably won't just be about winning. It's going to be about consequences. Because powerful family don't collapse quietly. And I think Tyler Perry is setting up a final season where everyone becomes dangerous. Even character we trusted before. Because once money, revenge and survival all mixed together, nobody stay calm. The most important thing Netflix reveals is this. Season 3 asks whether Kimmy can actually keep her power. That's the real story. Getting power is one thing, keeping it is another. And this is where the final season could become much darker. Because Kimmy may slowly start becoming like the people she once hated. That's usually what happens in Tyler Perry dramas. The survivor slowly becomes the ruler, and ruler eventually have to make brutal choices. So don't be surprised if season 3 shows Kimmy becoming colder, smarter, and even more dangerous. Especially now that she finally has support behind her. She is not alone anymore, and honestly, that might make her unstoppable. But there is one storyline that could completely explode the final season. Jules. Netflix specifically tested that Jules is still obsessed with learning the truth about his son's death. Yes, the word death. Netflix article showed the word death. The last season we see he was seriously injured. They clearly shows the word death, and that's bad news for everybody because grief make people unpredictable. Jules already operates in security and power circle. He knows secrets. He knows how to investigate people. So if he start uncovering hidden truth, the entire empire could collapse again. This is probably Tyler Perry's biggest setup for the final season mystery. And I honestly think this storyline could end with another battle, a shocking death, or Kimmy losing somebody close to her. Because Tyler Perry loves emotional endings with massive consequences. If you really think about it, season 1 was survival, season 2 was revenge, season 3 will probably be war. Everybody now knows everybody's secret. The alliances are unstoppable. The FBI is involved. The Ballery family is desperate. And Kimmy is finally powerful. That combination is dangerous. And because this is the final season, Tyler Perry does not need to hold anything back anymore. That means bigger battle, more emotional confrontations, possible deaths, massive twists, explosive ending scene. And honestly, I think Tyler Perry wants the final season to feel gothic and emotional from beginning to end. One hidden detail from the Netflix article is how they describe Kimmy. Not as a victim, not as a survivor, but as the HBIC of the empire. That wording matters because the show is officially recognizing her as the person in charge now. And psychologically, that changed the story completely. Now the pressure is on her. Now she has enemies. Now she has something to lose. And that usually creates the most dangerous version of a character. Prediction for the final season. Prediction 1. Someone major will die. I do not think everyone survived this ending, especially with all the FBI pressure and revenge storyline building up. Tyler Perry usually ends emotional drama with shocking consequences. Prediction number 2. Kimmy will become more ruthless. Season 3 may show her fully embarrassing power, not just reacting anymore but controlling the game. Prediction 3. Jules will discover something huge. His investigation storyline feels too important to ignore. He could expose secrets that destroy the entire alliances. Prediction 4. The ending will divide fans. I honestly think Tyler Perry may give the show a bittersweet ending instead of a happy one. Kimmy may win the empire but lose pieces of herself in the process. Fans are already reacting hard to season 3 announcement. A lot of viewers are excited that Kimmy and Mallory finally team up. The Ballery family is collapsing. The story is ending instead of being dragged forever. But other fans are nervous because the final season can ruin show. Tyler Perry ending are usually emotional. People are scared Kimmy may not get a happy ending. And honestly, both sides make sense because the setup for season 3 feels huge. So yes guys, Beauty in Black season 3 is officially happening and this final season honestly looks like Tyler Perry's biggest power battle yet. Kimmy is no longer fighting to survive. Now she is fighting to stay on top. The Ballery family is collapsing, the FBI is closing in, Jules is hunting for answer, and every alliance in this show feels one battle away from exploding. But what do you think happens in final season? Does Kimmy wins everything or does power finally destroy her too? Comment your prediction below. And if you enjoy this breakdown, subscribe for more Netflix and Tyler Perry updates, ending explained videos and season 3 theories. So that's all for today. See you in the next one.